Hello, magandang tanghali, hapon, gabi sa sign ng Scorpio with water elements. Lola Baby, nagpapakilala. Isa lang pong like, subscribes, and share. Bigyan ko kayo ng reading for the whole month of August. Okay? Today is August 9. Yan, ha? So, general po ito, not a personal. If you want a private reading, feel free to email Lola Baby. Naroon po sa aking description sa description box sa aking profile. Okay? Let's see your energy, your aura. And mamaya tingnan natin, okay? Your what's in your energy, the overall energy of yours, your strength, unexpected, and challenge, okay? So this is your energy. The rainbow reviver, diba? Okay, sa mga Scorpio, yan, no? Ito yung tinatawag, ibinabalik mo na uli ang sigla sa buhay mo. Yan, no? Binabalik mo na uli ang pag-asa sa buhay mo. Wine-welcome mo na itong magandang araw, kulay sa buhay mo. With the number 24, ida-down natin sa number 6. Diba? It's like tinatawag, you are radiating love, you are attracting love, diba? Yan, you are attracting wealth, diba? Attracting friends, attracting joy, happiness into your life. Galing mag-English, ah. Di ko nga alam kung tama. Abundance, okay? Yan, no? Kita ninyo. Yan. So, what does it mean? It is you who can only make this, okay? Nobody. Ang abundance, darating lang sa iyo kung ikaw mismo ang gagawa, okay? Kung nakaupo ka, nakahiga ka, wala kang action, abundance, hindi dadating, okay? It needs an action, di ba? It needs an motivation. It needs discipline, di ba? It's like ikaw ang gagawa, okay, ng success para sa iyong buhay, okay? Para ma-enjoy mo ito, matikman mo ito. Emotional freedom. No more grudges, no more hatred, no more jealousy, di ba? No more anger, no more frustrations, di ba? Kasarap. It's like tinatawag na, sino gaaring nalipad na kabayo? Kalimutan ko na. Yan, di ba? With the number 13, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, no more baggages, okay? No more crosses. It's like no more burdens, okay? You are freeing yourself, okay? From all this negative emotions, di ba? Negative states, whatever. It's all about negativity. Freeing yourself. Yan. Porcupine spirit, time for beginner mind, di ba? With the number 48, let's down to number 12, di ba? Okay. So, ibig sabihin, for some of you here, maaring tinatawag na kailangan kayong i-reboot. Pagod na. Okay? Reboot. Maybe your soul is very tired. Your mind is very tired. Your heart is very tired. And you need a reboot. Okay? It's like computer. Reboot. I-reboot. Para dito ma-energize kang muli. Okay? So, baka puyat ka, diba? Baka wala kang energy para makapunction, magawa mo isang bagay, diba? There is always enough. Koi fish spirit with the number 36, okay? Let's down the number 36 to number 9, diba? So, it's all about tinatawag na thinking. Yan, no? It's like tinatawag na pahalagan mo sarili mo. It's more about yourself. Diba? Okay? There is always enough. Diba? Yan, no? Koi is, it symbolize abundance. Diba? Okay? Ang nakikita ko dito, huwag mong maliitin ang sarili mo. Okay? Yan. You're enough. Diba? There is always enough. Yan. Don't belittle yourself. Diba? Napakaganda mong tao. Yan. Believe in yourself. Believe in your attractiveness. Diba? Love yourself. Take good care of yourself. Diba? Stay away from negative. Yan. So, let's see. Okay. Tinatawag na overall energy. That's your overall energy. So, what's in your, tinatawag na, what's in your energy? Yan, kumalugda. Okay? Tama yung bottom card. Diba? Success. It's like success is coming your way. Okay? It's like tinatawag dito na mukhang malaking grasya ang papasok sa buhay mo. What's in your energy? The Four of Cups, di ba? Okay. Ano ibig sabihin ng the Four of Cups na ito? Yan. Merong magpupuno. Yan. It's like tinatawag na hindi ka nag-iisa. Di ba? It's like may yayakap sa iyo, may uunawa sa iyo, may magmamahal sa iyo, may mag-aalaga sa iyo, 'di ba? Yan. So ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag be confident, 'di ba? Yan. Believe, yan ha. Walang iwanan. It's like sabihin na nating mahal ka ng kapatid mo, mahal ka ng tatay mo, mahal ka ng nanay mo, mahal ka ng mga friends mo, 'di ba? Mahal ka ng mga katrabaho mo, 'di ba? Yan. In times of needs, merong dadamay. Yan nakikita ko sa inyo, 'di ba? It's like tinatawag dito na meron kang kadamay sa iyong kagipitan, may kadamay ka sa iyong kalungkutan, may kadamay ka sa iyong tinatawag na pangangailangan. So, ibig sabihin nito, okay? Ano man ito? Yan ha, okay? Yan. So, meron dito yung tinatawag na masyadong mababa, okay? Depleted ang kanyang tinatawag na soul, okay? The energy. Yan. Kailangan niya ng, it's like tinatawag, push. Itutulak siya, di ba? Para, kumbaga dito, gumana. Para baga yung tinatawag na, alam mo ba yung kotse, biglang tumigil sa pagtakbo, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, ay naku, teka muna, tulak mga kapatid, itulak ninyong ang sasakyan para tumakbo, okay? So, it's about, nakikita ko sa inyo, yung tinatawag your strength, okay? It's like you need someone to push you, di ba? Para ma-motivate ka, ma-inspire ka, diba? Yan. You only need, it's like tinatawag, kailangan lagyan ito ng lighter. It's like sabihin na natin, naku po, yung gasol, mauubos na ang gasol, may nilaga akong baka, hindi pa malambot yung baka, diba? It's like sabihin na natin, naku, ay sarado ang tindahan ng gasol dahil linggo, anong gagawin? Eh di, magpapaapoy ka ng kahoy or uling, diba? Yan. Para lang dito yung tinatawag na magningas, diba? Ma-push. Okay? Especially if your spirits, if you feel very, very low. Okay? Yan. So, kasi naman ito, it's like ikaw ba ito? Or somebody needs love. Okay? Needs affection. Diba? Needs tinatawag na assurance. Somebody wants an assurance. Diba? Dito. Okay? Assurance. Kanino manggagaling assurance? Sa asawa mo, sa magulang mo, sa mga kapatid mo. So, ibig sabihin nito, success. Diba? In every, tawag dito, endeavors. Nakikita ko, endeavors. Okay? In every areas. Kung saan mang areas ito sa inyong buhay ninyo. Diba? Yan. So, magkakaroon dito ng success. Okay? Yun na nakikita ko. Diba? Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na wreath, nakasurround sa inyo. It's about victory, diba? In all endeavors, areas, circumstances sa buhay mo. Okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag participation, di ba? Yan, collaboration, di ba? Helps, assistance, supports from your siblings, family, neighbor, society, community, friends, di ba? Children, spouses, your parents, in-laws, kung sino man yan. Di ba? Okay? They love you so dearly, they want to support you. Okay? So that is, nakikita ko dito, unexpected. Okay? Unexpected support, love, wealth, di ba? Coming to you. It's like tinatawag, surprise! We're here, okay, to support you, to make your dreams come true. Diba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na the temperance, it's about your luck, okay? Blessings, diba? It's like, makakaroon dito ng tinatawag na hydration. You will no more dehydrated, 'di ba? Yan, no? 'Di ba? It's like mapupuno 'yan. Mapupuno ka ng grasya, mapupuno ka ng blessings, mapupuno ka ng abundance, 'di ba? Pagmamahal, 'di ba? So there is growth, okay? Unexpected growth. Yan. Sa pamemera, sa love relationship, sa friendship, 'di ba? Maybe from your siblings, friends, family, kung ano man yan, di ba? Maybe sa trabaho ninyo, sa pamimera, di ba? Magkakaroon ng growth sa finances. Maybe sabihin na natin magkakalaman ang bulsa mo, di ba? Unexpected, okay? Yan. So, let's see, okay? The Four of Cups. Yan, pagtulong, di ba? Pagtulong, ikaw ba natulong, di ba? Or sila ang natulong sa iyo. The Six of Swords to the Four of Cups, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, tulungan tayo, walang iwanan, di ba? Blood is thicker than water, okay? Kaya ito yung mga friends, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na they are true friends, okay? It's like tinatawag makaka-move on. If this person is naka-experience from the past ng tinatawag sufferings, makaka-move on na siya with the help of this. Kasi naman yan, mga taong yan, di ba? So, narito ang tinatawag na the lovers, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, if you are looking for a soulmate, di ba, a love, romance, yan, ano ito, pagbabalikan ng mga exes or may bagong pag-ibig na papasok sa buhay mo. Okay? There is a partnership. Okay? It's about your desires. Diba? Connections. Maybe you need connections. Diba? Para ito'y mag-materialize. Connection saan? Bawa sa hanap buhay, sa pera. Maybe you're a blogger, di ba? Maybe you're on a social media. You're on a business, maybe you need a partner, di ba? Or investment, maaring nag-invest ka, di ba? And you need a big someone who will invest, di ba? Para matulungan ka. The world, okay? The Empress, okay? It's about your tinatawag na beauty. For some of you, nakikita dito, you have a beautiful face, okay? You have a beautiful appearance. So, it's about pinag-uusapan dito, wealth, okay? It's like, it will be handed to you. Yan, maybe a contract. Maybe cheque. Baka may dadating na cheque. Merong malaking amount of money, di ba? Yun ang nakikita ko dito sa the world to the Empress, di ba? It's like all your problems will be solved, okay? Because of this check, okay? Yan, nakasulat, it's like i-deposit ito, maaari ito, i-deposit sa bangko mo, di ba? Okay? Someone, it's like tinatawag, someone will gift you, okay? With a big amount of money, okay? The Lovers to the Seven of Swords. Yan, okay. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na, okay, meron dito. For some of you, not all na friends ninyo is true, okay, sa salita nila, okay. Yan, it's like sabihin na nating be very, very careful, okay, about tinatawag na dealing, okay, especially kung kilala mo siya from the past, yung kanilang baka may mga temper, di ba? Short temper, something like that, okay. Be very, very careful dealing, okay, sapagkat baka pagsisihan mo ito in the future, okay. Pwede ito ay family members, siblings, pinsan, di ba, mga in-laws, kamag-anak, kung sino yan, very close sa inyo, okay? Dahil may temperament, meron siyang tinatawag special temperament, okay? Pwedeng mabait siya ngayon, afterwards, iba na ang timpla ng kanyang tinatawag na pag-iisip, di ba? Mag-iiba ang timpla. Yan, palagi nag-iiba-iba ang timpla ng taong ito. So be very, very careful, okay? So, halimbawa, meron siyang ini-offer sa inyo, okay? Before you deal, bago kayo makipagsara sa taong ito, okay? Dahil kilala mo ito, okay? Baka very, very tempting ang kanyang offer. Pero nakikita ko dito yung tinatawag, palaging paiba-iba ang kanyang tinatawag na temperament, okay? It's like tinatawag, mamaya mabait, mamaya galit, mamaya sumpungin, mamaya palaaway, mamaya very sweet, mamaya nanununtok. Be very, very careful, okay? So, let's see your temperance, okay? It's about your challenge, okay? So ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na guarding. It's about guarding, okay? Yan. Guarding your money, guarding your territory, guarding your place, guarding your house, di ba? Yan. So, it's about tinatawag fencing. Okay? Put a fence, yan. A boundary between you and them. Diba? Para hindi ka makurap. Para hindi ka maiskandalo. Diba? Okay? Sa Seven of Wands. Okay? Para hindi ka makaladkad. Okay? Halimbawa, if there is scandal, hindi ka makaladkad. Hindi ka mabigyan ng issue. Hindi ka makaladkad sa korte. Diba? Hindi ka masisi. Yan ha? Okay? Yan. Because dumais ito sa tinatawag na the lovers. Okay? Yan. Para maiwasan ng issue, problema, conflict. Diba? Okay? So, the last card, the Three of Cups. Diba? Okay. So, ano ibig sabihin ng the Three of Cups na ito? Yan. A partnership. Diba? Three of Cups to the Four. Okay? Okay. Three of Cups to the Four of Cups. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na satisfaction, okay? At home, di ba? Yan, to the Three of Cups. Yan ha. Satisfaction, at home, contentment, happiness, di ba? So, that is tinatawag na your overall energy, what will happen to you. Di ba? Unexpected energy, or it's about your strength, di ba? It's about happiness, contentment, di ba? And the challenge, di ba? So, very, very challenging, especially here. Tinatawag the Lovers and the Seven of Swords, I say to you, okay? And tinatawag the Temperance and the Seven of Wands, okay? Be very, very mindful, okay? Use your instinct, okay? Use yung tinatawag na five senses, okay? Para hindi kayo magka-problema, maiwasan ito. Baka makaladkad kayo, okay? In the future, magka-problema ka, okay? So, there is contentment, happiness. So, tinatawag the Two of Cups to the Three of Cups, okay? Joyful, harmonious, abundance, success, stability, okay? Security, love, romance, family. Ibig sabihin nito, wealth, di ba? Yan. Enjoying it's like tinatawag productivity, di ba? Yan. Thank you very much.